Hi, if anybody is looking for something, a project to do or a gift for your family, senior parents, that whole thing, you can make them a Life magazine. Here's an example. That is one I did for my dad's 70th birthday. How handsome he is. And then I did it for my mom's 80th. But it's a whole magazine. So these can't be custom made. You actually have to do them like with your hands and collage. Oh, there's my mom as a little kid with Princess Diana. See? Here's an example of Cindy Crawford on the cover of George. And there is my mom superimposed over it. This next one, okay, that is the iconic, photo. I keep saying iconic. But then what I did here, and you'll see it, is I put my mom and all of her siblings in there, even her father. There's Elvis, and there is my father playing bass in the background. There's my mom in bed with John Lennon. There is my father on Good Times. See what I'm saying? It's so much fun. There is my dad with John F. Kennedy. I'm not crazy over this one. It's just so not creative, but it's my dad, whatever. I love this. It's my grandmother with Shirley Temple, and that is my great grandfather behind the camera. Another one I took of my father, put it with McCarthy. There's my dad on I Love Lucy. My dad there hitting the Mark McGuire for the Cardinals. My sister Kimmy with Bob Dylan. She was obsessed with him. This is interesting. This is my mom on Johnny Carson. I put her over David Brenner's body. If you've got headlines from the actual news, you can do this. Remember these from the old magazines of the 70s? That's my sister there on the bottom. My dad wore a hairpiece for 20 years, and so I put that over there. And this is my hot young nephew, Stu, who looks like Nick Jonas. There's Elvis with my brother-in-law, lower left. My mom is the one in the umbrella behind this. And this is my favorite one. My dad arm wrestling. How hot is he? And then what I did was I took this. This is from when he was in college. I took this and I took this photo of that iconic, the Japanese surrendering. Don't anybody yell at me. I don't even know. I just know that the picture fit. So I added it there. So if anybody is looking for a gift to do for your parents, it will take you a year, but I'm telling you, it is worth it. It is so worth it. The creativity, the level of creativity you need to pull this off is very, very, very high, but you can do it. And your parents, you'll never forget their expression. All right, bye. Bye.